Mrs. Colley at Woodgate Primary, the head teacher here. Miss, just general thoughts about today?
Absolutely fantastic, a brilliant start. The atmosphere in the assembly hall was electric, wasn't it? The children's response, I thought they really engaged well. And going around the classrooms, looking at what they're doing in the classrooms, they're all really enthused and motivated, so it's looking like it's going to be a fantastic day. We're always looking for exciting opportunities to enrich the curriculum so that we can give the children experiences that perhaps our own staff can't provide. And as we know, children often respond differently to an expert coming in, to an outsider, a new face. And as it happens, this day and this workshop fulfills our school development priorities, which is developing oracy, helping the children to become real confident communicators, and also developing the arts provision for the children. And poetry is one of those arts that is, in some ways, one of the most difficult to enrich and to give the children different opportunities. So this workshop ticked both of those boxes. Really looking forward to the showcase, and I think there's going to be a lot of beatboxing children around the school.
I think so. All right, well, thank you very much for your comments. I really appreciate it.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
What a fun day and what a year. 2026, the year of reading. Go all in and seize the opportunity to have a fun whole school literacy and oracy experience delivered by a specialist mass engagement memorhyme poet. Grab a special offer like Mrs. Colley and book a whole school Key Stage 1 and 2 Values, Virtues and Character Poetry Slam Showcase Day with me, Kurly, complete with the year's access to our growing Engage page, stage and digital age resources, plus teachers support for just £497, saving £400. Now this offer is limited to just 50 schools, so please get in touch soon for that. Or a fun whole school award-winning author visit in the form of a 1-hour assembly with Richard Dreadlock Alien Grant, former Birmingham Poet Laureate and also invited to meet the Queen for services rendered to contemporary poetry. Visit includes 5 signed copies of his award-winning debut poetry book, Ink Air, recently included in the Empathy Lab's Special Empathy Collection for 2026, all just for £297. Email us to receive a free Key Stage 2 British Values Respect Assembly resource to support values literacy and oracy confidence, which we used during our work with the National Literacy Trust and the National Poetry Centre's Young Poet Laureate programme. And you'll also receive your very own memorhyme Series 1 collector's pen upon securing your booking. So get in touch ASAP, as availability for these special offers are limited. Have a good day. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Great regards. Bye for now.
Poetry.